These 4 graphs prove we can't blame climate change on solar activity. The past decade, 2010 to 2019, was the hottest on record, and 5 of the top 10 warmest single years have all occurred since 2015, according to reports released by the UK Met Office and the World Meteorological Organization. The current Australian bushfire crisis is also the worst on record, having emerged due to a combination of increased average temperature, roughly 1.5 degrees Celsius above the long-term average, and a reduction in rainfall. Early birds get all the good stuff. Like a great price on TNW 2020 tickets. GIMME. But can we attribute this to anything more natural than anthropogenic effects? Solar activity, for example, has previously been linked to temperature and is sometimes blamed for climate change. But our new analysis provides evidence for why this isn't the case. The sun is the dominant source of energy for the Earth's climate, so quantifying what influence it has had on global temperatures since industrialization is very important. Like all stars, the sun undergoes variations in solar activity, meaning its energy output varies with time. The visible surface of the sun, which you should never look at directly, is called the photosphere. When imaged, it appears as a white disk which is occasionally blotted by the appearance of sunspots. These sunspots are regions of intense magnetic fields that restrict the movement of gas and cause it to cool, making these areas appear dark. However, these same intense magnetic fields connect the visible sunspots on the photosphere with active regions we can't see. These are areas of gas thousands of kilometers above the visible surface that are superheated to millions of degrees. Such active regions emit light very strongly in ultraviolet and X-ray radiation. The oldest and easiest way of approximating solar activity at any given time is to simply count the number of sunspots visible on the photosphere. The more sunspots, the more solar activity, and hence the greater overall emission of ultraviolet and X-rays. These emissions are largely absorbed by the Earth's atmosphere before they reach the ground, causing heating, although some studies suggest the situation is more complicated. Like our planet, the Sun also has a magnetic field that extends outwards. The solar magnetic field defines the sea. For more on this story, visit the news article link.